Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a free shipping on your Shopify store or to just change your shipping rate. So first of all, you want to go to the settings right there at the bottom left corner. Now when you're here, you want to find shipping and delivery right there and click on it. And now you will see the shipping option here, the general shipping rates, and you have, for example, some 4 locations, 2 zones. So we're gonna click on this arrow. Now here you will see domestic and international rate. So if you want to set up a free shipping everywhere, and you see the prices right there, you can click these 3 dots, click edit rate. After that, you're gonna choose the shipping rate, rate name, custom delivery description, which is optional. And here you just basically delete it. And as you can see, it's now free. You click done. And now you will have free shipping. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.